Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make hyaluronic acid toner at home. First, gather your high-quality ingredients and ensure your workspace is clean and sanitized. We'll walk through each step, from selecting the right components to mixing them perfectly. This guide helps you create a personalized, hydrating toner that can significantly boost your skin's moisture levels, giving you a fresh, dewy complexion. To begin, you'll need a few key items. Start with 5 grams of high molecular weight hyaluronic acid powder, which is crucial for hydration. Next, prepare 100 milliliters of distilled water as your base. Don't forget a broad-spectrum preservative, typically 5 to 1 gram, to ensure your toner remains safe and stable. You'll also need sterile beakers, a precise digital scale, and a clean, airtight bottle for storage. Let's mix. First, accurately weigh 5 grams of your hyaluronic acid powder. Slowly sprinkle this powder into 100 milliliters of distilled water, stirring gently to prevent clumping. It's important to be patient here. Let the mixture sit for several hours or even overnight until it transforms into a clear, uniform gel. Finally, add your 5 to 1 gram of preservative and stir well to ensure even distribution. For best results, store your freshly made hyaluronic acid toner in a clean, airtight container. Keeping it refrigerated will significantly extend its shelf life, usually for 2 to 3 months. To use, apply a small amount to damp skin immediately after cleansing, both in the morning and at night. Remember, always perform a patch test on a small area of your skin before full application to ensure you don't have any sensitivities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.